To select the Mastershots, we click on this, scroll down to Mastershots. It'll then come up. We'll turn it round and point the spot where to me. So drop it down, draw a box around me, or tap me, it doesn't matter. It's now got me. We can have the medium range. We can look at small, medium, large, current location, start point. The duration is going to be 1.5 minutes. I can make the range smaller if I wish, if you're in a tighter location, but we'll leave it in the medium mode, and we'll use it as a start point. And what this does, it does a selection of different types of shots, and we can press the start now.
3,
and 2, off it goes.
1.
So it starts with a sort of droney, pulling back gently, then coming in. This is literally a combination of various different quick shots, all done automatically into different locations. Then that'll go back the other way. Goes over the top of me. This is number 3. So it started quite close to me, it's now gone further away. When you're using these Mastershots, you should always keep your finger over the pause button, because you never know what's going to happen. You know, they are not unpredictable because they're all preset, but you just need to be aware of your surroundings. The collision avoidance should always work if you get too close to things, but don't do these in a close enclosed environment. So we're on the 6th out of the 8 now. It's now come back over the top of me. Now it's going up for a rocket. We're 83%, 84% through the thing. So that's the number 7. And it's a camera down circle, whatever this is. So it's just coming down and turning at the same time, like a corkscrew. And then it returns to the first place. So that's your Mastershots in a nutshell. Hope that's helpful. Happy flying. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel or watch the next video in the playlist, or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded.